everybody. I'm in the kitchen today with Father John and my daughter-in-law Claudia, and she's rubbing her husband's spoon. He's her baby.
Yeah, it looks like Linton.
So tell everybody how the triplets are doing.
Great.
Everybody's always asking me about them.
They're good. They're great.
Well, Cloud and I are on a mission to teach Father John how to cook. He said he never learned. There was never a need.
No, there's between being at home and being off at school and then being in parishes large parishes with a cook most of the time. So I'm happy to be here. Thank you for the invite.
Well, we are starting. On a previous show, we did a dip, and it's a hot dip. It's a pimento cheese, a hot pimento cheese dip, and that was so simple. And listen, Father John, this one's equally easy.
Thank you.
So we just go mix and stir again.
He can use Bobby.
Oh, you sure he can use me? So that won't.
Or Bobby, you have a choice.
When you're hugging and
I don't get dirty.
You won't get him dirty.
Plus, I see mayonnaise again, so I'll stay right
Oh
here.
my gosh, there's nothing you're gonna be able to eat, is it? Oh no, what is that?
That's blue cheese dressing.
Yeah,
One of the ingredients is probably mayonnaise.
Probably. The only thing I have found that this child won't eat is mayonnaise. And do you know what a problem that is for me? Because I put mayonnaise on everything.
You have a mayonnaise vault.
Yes.
At least I like butter.
And yes, thank goodness you like butter. But mayonnaise, if I get under 10 quarts of mayonnaise in my pantry, I start getting nervous.
That's also with bananas.
So this recipe is one that was shared with me by a precious young woman, Courtney Fix. And she did my makeup for years. So this is, let's see what we named it. We named it Courtney's Get Fixed because her last name is Fix. Super Sunday Dip. So all you have to do is mix all that stuff together, Father. Where do you want to start? You start anywhere you want
2
to.
pounds of
Just chopped chicken.
chopped chicken.
Just chopped chicken. Now you can cook your own chicken, or you can get a rotisserie chicken from your grocery store. And
Sous chef.
Yes.
More respect, Father John.
Half a cup of hot sauce.
Oh, wow.
Now, you said you liked hot sauce, didn't you?
Moderate hot sauce.
Well, yeah, Paula. This is Paula Deen's.
To me, this is the best hot sauce.
It smells a little bit sweet.
Well,
It's not too hot.
It's not real hot. It's just real good.
You need a glass of milk?
And it took me,
it's got a little kick.
it took me a while. All right, and I want to be sure and tell everybody that everybody washed their hands.
Did we?
Right, yeah,
I
right
did.
before we started, yes.
I did.
After we've had Gus?
So just continue
I just
to
want to remind everybody that,
4 ounces.
yes.
This first, okay.
So that is the blue cheese dressing?
Yes.
Just like whatever blue cheese dressing, right?
Yes, you can make a homemade blue cheese dressing, or if you have
Homemade.
a favorite bottled one, yes. In fact, at the restaurant, we make the most incredible blue cheese dressing. I taught them how to make my very, very favorite. And it's the best blue cheese dressing around,
Really?
as far as I'm concerned.
Assistant.
Y'all are going the wrong way with the dirty dishes.
Oh, sorry.
Thank you. Thank you.
Sous chef, sous chef.
Yes.
It's looking good.
So you know exactly what the ingredients are on the blue cheese dressing, you just don't want to tell me.
Well,
Yogurt. It's got yogurt.
it's mayonnaise.
There are some really good dressings that are like creamy like that on the market right now, but they're
4
yogurt
ounces.
based.
They're all based,
Yogurt based.
yogurt based.
So That's what I do.
You know, I told you I'm just not crazy
Yeah, I feel you.
about.
I mean, I don't feel you,
Yogurt.
but.
Yeah, this is really one of those good dips. You know, we got a big game coming up soon.
What is it?
It's just a big
Oh,
game.
it's
Yeah.
a big
It's
game.
the Super Bowl.
Okay.
Oh.
Father John can say it.
4 ounces.
4 ounces of
Cheese.
Parmesan or
No.
mozzarella.
Mozzarella?
No, it's a Colby.
Colby.
Neither one of them.
Just cheese.
Just cheese. And we're going to put it in this little casserole dish. And perfect. You have certainly learned how to mix today,
I can
haven't
do
you, Father
that. Yes,
John?
indeed. All right.
All right, I'm going to take that spoon away from you and give you the spatula so you can
Okay.
clean it out.
We still got one.
Oh,
Oh,
very important ingredient.
Assistant.
Yes. How much of this?
The whole.
Ooh, the whole thing.
It's 4 ounces of crumbled blue cheese.
Crumbled blue cheese. I'm sorry, I did that.
Eddie,
Let you forget.
you didn't do your whole homework. Well,
That is actually 5 ounces, but I think we can add extra ounce, right?
when it comes to cheese, it's never enough, right?
So this is a very strong blue cheese tasting dip.
Yeah.
Do you like that, Clown? Okay.
Perfect.
Cheesy. In fact, I remember Courtney saying that she fixes this for the big game.
That's what we're doing.
Yes. Might be rotten though by the time the big game starts.
Rolls around. Or maybe in
Okay.
your belly.
Yes.
Maybe gone by the time the big game
Yes.
starts.
Yes, it would have to get gone before the big game.
It looks good though.
Mm-hmm.
It's a hunk of dip here now.
I know.
You got some.
So
on top
Father
of it.
John, you can just go home and make all the dips
Oh
in
my
the
gosh,
world.
yeah.
They're all good. They
You'll
all-
have food for like.
Yes. Okay, I hear something dinging.
Yeah, not food related.
Oh. Okay, that's it, Father
Does that
John.
sound?
So we'll put it in a 350-degree oven, and we'll bake it for about 15-20 minutes. You know, just hot and bubbly, because everything's done in it. You know, the chicken is
Cooked.
cooked. So another very simple dip that you can impress your friends with.
I will.
Do you have company over?
Well, truth be told, most Sunday evenings I'm at church.
Yes.
So it's hard, although this year the priest at Benedictine High School has invited the priest over. So I'll get there by half.
Oh, that's fun. So you have to bring something over.
You have
Yeah.
to. Did
Well-
they ask you to carry something?
No, they don't trust me.
But you have to. You can
I
now.
told them.
You
Okay.
can impress them.
Yeah, we feed a lot of guys.
So in the oven, 350 degrees, 15-20 minutes, just until it's hot and bubbly, like Father John.
Aww.
Oh,
We love Father John.
Just breaking the
I
sink.
knew I was going to break something.
I think it goes the other way, Father John. Oh, I love it. And here, I'll give you the hand soap if you want.
No, I was just,
Where is it?
You
I
tell
can't
me.
see it. Okay. That's good. Okay, we're all washed up. And this is your second dish,
Right,
isn't it,
this
Father
is the
John?
chicken. Yeah.
Yes, this is Courtney's Get Fixed. Let's see, her last name is Fix, Courtney Fix. Courtney's Get Fixed Super Sunday Dip.
And it has a kick to it.
It does. Remember the blue cheese and all of that? All right, so we're going to put this on the plate because I don't want you to
Yeah, it looks like it's
burn yourself.
almost bubbling too.
So check out
Well.
your cooking.
Let's try. Mm.
Is it too hot for you?
No, delicious. It's got a kick to it,
It
now,
does.
but we put some kicking ingredients in it, but
It's got a little kick.
it's good.
Kicking. Should have been named Kicking Chicken. Well, what do you think? So far, which is your favorite dish? In a previous show, we did hot pimento cheese dip.
I love cheese, and they're both full of
Yeah,
cheese,
we're doing
so-
a lot of cheese today.
Yeah, they're both delicious.
I hope we're gonna be able to go to the bathroom after eating all this cheese.
Well, stay tuned for the next show.
Well, thank you, Father John.
Thank you, Paul.
And listen, if y'all ever come to Savannah and you want to attend
Church at Sacred Heart.
yes,
Come to Mass at Sacred Heart.
I couldn't get it out of my mouth. All right, so now when are your services?
We
like
have
on the weekend?
We have a 4:30 Saturday, Sunday morning, 8:30 Spanish, 11 o'clock English, and 6 p.m. English. So we have
You
3
are
English
kidding.
services. I don't speak Spanish.
I was gonna say I didn't know you could speak
I
Spanish.
don't. We have a hospital chaplain who's bilingual, but we have a full house for almost all of our services.
Oh my!
We've been there since Cornerstone was laid in 1902. So
Wow.
we've been up and running since 1904.
You look good to have been doing this since 1902.
I eat well. Thank you.
Thank you, Father John. You mean so much to us.
Thank you, Paula, for inviting me.
Yes. So if you're here in Savannah on the weekend, Saturday and Sunday, Saturday at 4:30, Sunday at 8:30.
Spanish.
Spanish.
11 and 6
11
English
and 6 English.
masses.
So
All are welcome.
it's a beautiful old church. I think you'd enjoy it. And you don't have to be Catholic.
No.
You open your arms to
All are
everybody,
welcome.
don't you?
Yeah, we have a great congregation.
Well, love and best wishes to all of you out there. Hey y'all, it's Paula Deen. Now, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like it and click the subscribe button as well as the notification bell to be alerted when I post a video. Love and best dishes, y'all.